Looking for the best goose calls? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 goose calls on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Primos Hunting, 866 Honky Tonk Goose Call. Great for beginners and easy to master. Requires little back pressure and won't readily stick. Easy to disassemble, clean, and reassemble. Feels high quality. Turns distant flocks back and right to the decoys. Simple, short reed option that reproduces realistic Canada sounds. Plastic feels thin and reed can break easily. Sounds are challenging for some. At number 2. Primos Hunting, Canada Goose Flute Call. Does not require much air to produce sound. Good quality for the price. Fairly realistic. Nice sound that is decently loud. Easy to disassemble and put together again. A good product for the money. An easy to use design that fits the budget. Does not come with an instructional video. At number 1. Buck Gardner, Canada Hammer Poly Goose Call. Easy operating, short reed design. Seals tight to hold air and improve tones and sounds. Hand tune for crisp long and short range performance. Simple to clean, retune, and reassemble. Crisp sound quality and easy field maintenance. Reed adjustment instructions are difficult to understand for some. Sound quality is lacking for others. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.